उड़ू ऊंचा।
Children, what did you eat for breakfast today? Let me guess. Did you eat egg paratha or egg roll or scrambled eggs or maybe egg omelette? Oh, you did not eat egg at all? But do you know eggs are very healthy for our body? Egg. Oh, look, a chick came out of an egg. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter E. Say it with me. What's that sound? Car. I can hear the car engine. A bus also has an engine. A train has an engine. Also an aeroplane. Engine. Do you know what part of the body is this? That's right, elbow. Elbow. You use elbow to bend your arms. You can also use it to quack like a duck. Ha ha, that is so fun. Hey, who drank my juice? This glass was full of juice. Now it's empty. There's nothing in there. Empty. Egg. Engine. Elbow. Empty. Eggs give us lots of energy. Energy. Let's put some money in an envelope and give it to a needy. Envelope. Look, today I got some extra fries for my friends to school. Extra. Energy. Envelope. Extra. Yum. Now let's practice writing around the egg and under the cup. Let's use a pencil and paper to write around the egg and under the cup. Great job! Now let's hear a story. I feel I am hungry. As my mommy was frying eggs for her, I told her to make one extra egg for me as well. She also cooked one egg for my sister and one egg for my grandmother. Everyone ate eggs. Everyone's plate is empty. Everyone is feeling full of energy. Hey, I see an elephant entering our kitchen. Do you think he also wants to eat an egg? Do elephants eat eggs? What do you think? Eggs. Extra eggs. Empty. Everyone. Energy. Elephant is eating eggs to get more energy. Elephant. Eggs. Energy.
Like, share and subscribe.